We get asked a lot where we get our woods. We get our woods from 2 different places. We get 3 of them out of a distributor in Billings, Montana, and 1 of them from a distributor in North Carolina. Now, do all these woods grow in Billings in North Carolina? No, they don't. The woods we get from Billings, Montana are hard maple, which grows in the northeastern United States, Jatoba, and bloodwood. Those 2 grow in Central and South America. So they get cut at the location where they're grown. They get shipped to the United States, they get kiln dried here in the United States, and then they get stored at a distributor for people like us that order them, and they just ship them right on up. So it's quite easy for us. The other one, wood that comes from North Carolina, is our Cadillacs, or our Mexican ebony, that's grown down on the Yucatan Peninsula, and they work directly with a couple of sawmills there. They've got a long-standing relationship with them, and same thing. They cut the trees down and mill them in Mexico, send them up to the United States. That particular wood gets kiln dried for like 6 months. It's as with all of our woods, that wood is so dense that it takes a long time to get the moisture out of the inside of that piece of wood so that it stays stable. So they get it in North Carolina, kiln dry it for 6 months, stack it up for us, and when we need it, they ship it out.